Right, here we go. Just built one thing, now I'm going to build another, and then after this I'm going to do another, because I'm having fun. Right, here we have set number 43243. Simba the Lion King cub. I bought the small one, didn't want the big one. Big one's too expensive and quite large, can't really do much with it. Posability of this one is awesome, look at that. And it's very few pieces, takes that little space on the shelf, and I need to consider things like space, even though I am currently awaiting a delivery of two huge great big IKEA tables for my project, which is taking over my lounge, but I don't care. So yeah, I thought I'd do this set. Looks pretty cool, got some little food for him to eat there, and you can pose his paws, you can pose him stretching out, there's all sorts you can do with it. So I thought I'd build this. It's got 222 pieces, 86 plus, so I'm covered. Year 2024, go hunting with Simba. Build this model of Simba the Lion King cub in celebration of the Lion King's 30th anniversary and have some fun hunting down food. What's on the leaf? On that leaf? Ooh, a couple of cute ladybugs. Hey, look at that cool caterpillar. It's got so many legs. Check out the snail, carrying its house everywhere it goes. Wait, is that Simba's lunch? Bet those tickle going down. Ew, that's not nice, is it? Anyway, so, yeah. I think I built this. I love the film. Didn't really want the big one, not to spend all that much money on something so big, and the price is very, very high here in Turkey, and most people, this is already sold out in the local Lego store, so that obviously proved my point. This would be more popular due to pricing and size. So bag 1, bag 2, bag 3 and bag 4. Perfect, nice small set to build. In the manual we have nothing but build, so that can go to one side. I can put bag 1 in here. Doesn't even look like we have small bags, so that's good. So that's that done. No paper bags, very disappointed, but whatever. I don't understand why there's no paper bags, as this is a new set. Just stick those down there. We got the Beza models here looking over us, and I'm going to start the speed build. Smash the like, subscribe, comment, do everything you can, please. I am not running adverts on these videos anymore. We're completely ad free, because I just want to build up my membership. I'm not bothered about ad revenue, to be honest with you. Not bothered about memberships, just want people to watch the videos, enjoy them, like them and comment on them. That's it, that's all I want. GG's, see you in a minute with the speed build. Right, that was easy, quick one, apart from a few mishaps. Like putting a ladybug on his back because I felt like it was spare, not supposed to be. Anywho, it's pretty cool, very good. You can pose his legs, look. Set, you can't do any of this with a big set, really. I think his head kind of moves a little bit, but I mean, this is like free. Look, you can do his head upside down if you want to. So, not that you would, of course. Okay, I think we'll start with this because very cute. Ladybugs, ladybirds, whatever you want to call them. Depends on where you come from. This is the saddest looking snail I've ever seen. I couldn't believe that that's what they were talking about. That's a snail, okay? Apparently, that's a snail. Sausage, don't know where the sausage came from. And this obviously is supposed to be like a grub, slug grub kind of thing from the junkie. But that's his dinner plate. I wouldn't want his diet, to be honest. Ears, yeah, I mean, you can move the ears back, but they're probably best where they are, to be honest. Because it does get caught on this little plate here when you're pushing back in. So, yeah. Head, like I say, you can pose it any way you want. Very strong. Legs, of course, the feet move. The legs move, and they're not ratchets, they're smooth, which is nice. So you could kind of maybe do that, or that, or that, or that, looking at you. You can put his paw up. So I think this is cool, and look at the space, the size of it. Doesn't take any space up at all. So I think it's a good compromise for the big set. And the big set is just a display model. This, you know, if you have kids come round or you've got kids, they'll enjoy playing with it. Especially as it's Simba. Good old Simba. Cool. Well, what can I say? Give it 9 out of 10. Easy build, didn't take long. Had one mishap, which has nothing to do with building this. And I'm not sure if I've included it in the video or not. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. If I didn't, try to guess what it was. If I did, oops, okay. But nothing to do with the build, didn't do anything wrong with the build. Anyway, smash the like button, subscribe. I won't bother doing photos, I don't think I need to. I think he's quite cool. Really good. He's going to go on my shelf straight away. Aren't you? Yes, I am. And he's happy because he's wagging his tail. Anyway, I'm sorry. Stop messing about. There you go. Eat your food. Num nums. Num nums time. There you go. Eat that snail. The worst snail I've ever seen in my life. GG Lego. Right, anyway, see you later. I'm going to do another one now because why not?